You can see yourself looking at a video of yourself from this morning. Hey, it's spilling water on the floor. Sorry, that's a lot of water. You ready to go now? Yeah? Alright. We have to put on your coat and then we go. Okay. That's a lot of water. This is when you're so thirsty. Oh God, goodness. Alright, I gotta get a cloth.